I would like to show you how students can receive instant feedback and learn from their mistakes as they take a quiz or test using the online assessment tool, Microsoft Forms. How you can also easily differentiate the testing questions in Microsoft Forms using the branching feature. I am now in Microsoft Forms. You do need a Microsoft Office 365 account to access Microsoft Forms. Microsoft Forms is available online only. You can certainly use forms like a regular survey form or online application or sign-up sheet to gather student information like I have done here. But today I would like to show you how you can build an online quiz using forms by clicking the New Quiz function. I will first name this Quiz 1. You can enter a description or insert an image depending on you need it or not. I'm going to start with question number 1. I'm going to do it as a multiple choice. I'm going to offer 4 options. Because I need math and math symbols here, I'm going to go down to the More Settings section and click on Math. And then the answer that I type in, if I have a math symbol, it will be more accurate. My last option, I no longer need it to be math, so I will convert it back to text. So now I'm going to select the right answer. Apparently this one I did not do very well. I will go back and I click OK. So now this is the right answer. And I would like to give my test taker some feedback in case they answer something wrong. So if I have a student who chose this answer, I will say display this message. If I have a student who also chose the second answer that is wrong, I would like to enter that. I can also give positive feedback. And I will make this as a required. I can also assign a point. So this is my question 1. As you can see, you can give test takers a message. If they choose the wrong answer, the message will let the test takers know where they make a mistake and learn from their mistake as they take the test. So let me show you what I mean. I go to Preview. If I answer this one, which is the wrong answer, and I submit, as you can see, it will show me this is the wrong answer, but at the same time, it will tell me where I got it wrong so I can learn as I take the test, instead of keep answering each question wrong with similar concept. So now, let me build a few other questions so I can show you how you use the branching feature to differentiate. I'm going to change this question back into alt text since it is about a statement. Make it required. This one has multiple answer. I'm going to click correct, correct. Let me build the next question. Again, this is math question. I'm going to shove it back to math. Make sure I click OK so it won't jump off. Make sure I click OK as well. And then it's required and 10 points. Let me add the last question. This one is definitely a math question. I will click OK. Let me enter the possible solution. Click OK. OK. Click OK. All right, I have successfully built 4 questions, and let me show you how you branch. Let me go back to question 1. On the top right-hand corner, there's more setting for the entire form. I will click on it, and you will see there's a branching option. Let me click. As you can see, now I can map out how the students go on if they answer something correctly or they answer something incorrectly. This is an incorrect answer. They definitely should go to the next question to clarify what is a square root. This is also an incorrect answer to question 1. They should go next. They answer number 1 correctly, so I'm going to send my student directly to question 4 because they have already proven to me that they understand the concept of square root. I'm not going to make them answer a similar type of question again. This is a wrong answer. I will do it as well. If they understood the question number 2, I will send them to question number 3 to show me again if they can really find the square root. So if they answered this one correctly, I send them to question 4. But if they got it something wrong again, I may send them back to question 2. As you can see, the students, I can map out the path, send them to different questions to clarify their understanding, to show mastery before they go on. This way, students are on different paths to answer test questions based on their needs and understanding. Students who understood a concept don't have to answer the same type of questions to show you that they understood. Students who have difficulties with a concept don't have to answer the same type of question wrong and get frustrated. The best part about this is that all students actually learn and clarify their misconceptions while taking the test, not after.